Okay, so hi dear Virgo, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal of reading for all the Virgo Sun Moon Venus Rising from 28th of April till the 4th of May. The roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions, you can check out the description box. You'll find the links below for the Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self-Love 30 Days Challenge course. Links are given below in the description box. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what we have. We have the lovers. Okay, this is someone who is very attracted to you, very attracted to the idea of being with you, kind of daydreaming about you and lusting over you too. Let me clarify this lovers. Maybe they have other option or other energies too, and they feel like making the right choice. Let's clarify the lovers. But they definitely feel very attracted to you, very attracted to the idea of being with you, and sexually they think about you a lot. Let's see. We have the Six of Cups, the Hanged Man, the Knight of Cups. This is someone who is from your past, who is still stuck on you, and they feel a lot of love towards you. They feel like coming towards you with a lot of love, with us, with some kind of peaceful offer, with some kind of message, communication, apology. This person is missing you like crazy. They're definitely somebody from your past. You guys had a past life connection even. This is how strongly they are feeling for you. Wow. Right now at this present moment. Missing you like crazy. Let me see. What do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Virgo? What's happening, honey? Nine of Cups. Okay, either you're very busy in your own happiness, and or you feel like this person, this situation is your wish fulfillment, is your ultimate happiness, ultimate goal of happiness. Okay, let me clarify this Nine of Cups. Okay, honey. We have the Queen of Cups and the Seven of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles. Okay, what is happening here is, Virgo, there's love from both the sides, but none of you is budging in. You feel so deeply connected to this person, but you are feeling like this situation is highly imbalanced. Even if this person, this situation is your wish fulfillment, is your happiness, you are feeling like you should wait for the time when you will be able to balance it out with them somehow. This could be very much possible that the person that you are in love with is not the person who is in love with you. That could also be a possibility, very much highly. But there's a lot of love. Whosoever you're connected to, there's love from their side as well, because I do see this Six of Pentacles here and Queen of Cups, hidden love. So this is someone who you feel is a wish fulfillment for you, but you feel like right now the things are very imbalanced, and you feel like waiting for the time when things are going to be balanced somehow. Okay, when there is going to be equal give and take of energy from both the sides. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Queen of Pentacles. Okay, this person wants to have a very mature and grounded kind and stable kind of energy in the situation. Maybe you're dealing with another earth sign here, maybe. Let me clarify the Queen of Pentacles here, honey. We have the Eight of Cups, the Eight of Pentacles, the Nine of Swords. Right now they want to just focus on themselves. They want to move on from the situation. Right now they want to be very mature and grounded and stable in their life, and they want to walk away from the situation and put in the effort and energy in the right direction, which is their anxiety, their sleepless nights, then overthinking. And they want to get out of this mental jail, this stressful and anxious kind of energy, and be in a very stable and mature and grounded kind of energy by themselves. Right now they don't want to co-create here. Right now they just want to create for themselves, and they want to get out of this heavy, anxious and stressful kind of energies for good, to stabilize their own energies. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, honey? Page of Wands. You want to have a fresh start here, like a kid, just want to have fun. Okay, let me clarify the Page of Wands. I don't think you just want to have fun. Just give me a second. There's love from both the sides. That is I'm very very sure about. And there is age difference also, or maturity difference, or point of view difference. But there's love. We have the Five of Swords, the Seven of Cups, and the Four of Swords. You want to work on your confusions, emotional confusions. You want to work on your mind, your emotions. You want to balance it out, and you want to have a very healed kind of energy so that you can move forward with or without this person in your life, so that you can have a brand new beginning in your life with or without this person. So definitely you just want to have a balance of emotions and mental and emotional balance, and you want to detach from the idea of remaining confused all the time about the situation, remaining stuck on this particular energy. And you definitely want to enjoy your life to the fullest. Start enjoying your life to the fullest with whatever best you have on in your life right now. Okay, that's a pretty cool energy. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 4th of May, honey. Virgo. We have the Empress. Wow, this is a very beautiful and positive card of growth and expansion and happiness. Let's see. I'm happy for you guys, Virgo. Let's see. Let's clarify the Empress. We have the Seven of Wands, Ten of Swords, and the Knight of Swords. Okay. It's like sudden, unexpected kind of energy entering in your life. Somebody is going to unblock you if they have blocked you, or some kind of obstacle or challenge is going to be removed from a situation, and it's going to straight away lead to a lot of growth and expansion and happiness. It's sudden, unexpected arrival of somebody who is going to break all the barriers and straight away coming towards you. Somebody is straight away coming towards you with this kind of energy of removing all the obstacles and challenges from their path when they want to come towards you, and it's going to lead to a lot of happiness. A lot of happiness is coming forward towards you. It could be you going towards somebody by letting go of all the conflicts and challenges and obstacles, right? It could be somebody coming towards you, rushing towards you with this kind of energy of, okay, let's grow together, let's do something good, let's fix it. Now, even if you are going towards somebody, or if somebody is coming forward towards you, there's a term known as free will. Maybe one of you is super excited with the idea of going towards the other person and let's do it. The other person might not respond that much well, but let's not break this your willpower or this energy of moving forward, because even if they are going to be with you or not, this situation is going to help you to move to the next chapter that's going to lead to a lot of like growth, happiness, and expansion in your life. Very good. For you, the guidance here is the Two of Pentacles. If you are in two minds, if you are juggling, if you're struggling, and if you're in confusion, don't make any kind of life-changing decisions unless you are in a very, very stable mind, until unless you are 100% sure this is the path you want to follow, or this is the energy that you want to go ahead with, or this is the person that you want to go ahead with. Maybe this is somebody else coming forward towards you, maybe not the same person that you are stuck on. And or maybe even if they're coming back towards you, you are not going to be sure about this. So until unless you're 1000% sure and stable in your energies, don't make any kind of life-changing direction in this situation. Because if you are going to make any kind of decisions in any kind of unstable energies or unclear or confusion kind of energy, it's going to backfire for sure in the coming future. So this is a warning as well, and this is the guidance as well. Take your time, take your time, don't rush, don't be in any kind of hurry, because it's your life. It's not a video game that you have to it's not a game that you have to win at any cost, and you're going to be like, okay, I have another life. Nope. It's just one. Cool. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste, honey.